Now, you might be in a situation like I'm in. Well, basically, when I search on something or search through the internet using my phone, you're gonna be able to see that it's not using Google, but it is using Bing for my searches right there, which perhaps may not be something you like. So, in order to change that and make Google your default search engine on the iPhone, open up the settings, ensure you are on the main page like that. Scroll toward the bottom completely until you find the app section. And in there, again, you need to find the Safari, which is obviously where we want to perform the changes. So click on that and find the search engine being part of the search menu there. So click on this, and for me, as you can notice, it is Bing, which is currently the selected one. So I can just make it Google and make sure I come back. And now, of course, when I perform the change and type something into the search, just a random word, not an actual URL, just, let's say I type in iPhone, it now uses Google to perform the searches. So this is how you can quickly switch in between them. It is all part of the settings, so you can easily find it there. Outside of this, obviously, you can check out the Google Chrome or some different web browser, which might have some different default apps as well as some different settings enabled for it. So yeah, definitely explore the options on the web browser front so you can at least see and make the, distinction which one works better for you. But yeah, that's going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you with it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.